In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE+, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by launching messages and selecting or creating a chat. Now click on this icon of a photo and the paperclip at the bottom right corner. And select Images section at the top. Click on those three lines at the top left corner to pick one of those sources, or select one of those apps. Either way, after finding all of your photos you wish to attach, hold the chosen ones and hit select at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!